Hello everyone, this is Tutul and you are watching Codies. In the last video, we saw how we can connect our tray editor with GLM model. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GLM model to VS Code by Cline Extension. Of course, you know there is an extension called Cline which is also based on a AI chat. So we can chat with the AI by our model, our custom model from AI, that is GLM. So let's have a look how we can do that. First of all, we have to download Visual Studio Code. I hope you already download that and install that. Then you have to come to the documentation page of AI and search for the Cline. By the way, of course, you need a paid API key to connect it, which I already bought in the last December. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first and go to the extension panel and search for Cline extension. Here you can see the first one is our targeted Cline extension. Just click on that download and trust it. After a few seconds, it's gonna download and install it. And yes, here you can see there is a icon in our sidebar. That's our Cline extension. Just click on it and tap on Bring My Own API Key as we are connecting our custom own model. Then tap on Continue. And here you have to provide your API key details. In the API provider, you have to search for AI. That's it. And you don't have to do anything, change, just copy the API key, which you can already created in the API section. Paste it, and you can select the model. To select the model, just click on it, and here you can see the bunch of model. So GLM 5 is a good model, and then click Continue, and yes, our new API key is connected successfully. To check that, just close all the pop-up. We don't need that. So here, let me ask hi. Boom, it gives me a result. So the API key connected successfully. I hope you can get it. Thank you.